StockPulse on location at Sprott Resource Symposium at Vancouver. I've got John Mark Stouty. He's the President and CEO Riverside Resources, RRI, on the Toronto Venture Exchange. John Mark, always appreciate the time and the update here. Busy guy. A lot of news lately. I know a few things on your plate here, but you're in Canada now. You always were in Canada, but now you're actively in Canada. Why don't you talk about that?
Yeah, we're really excited. You know, with Freeman Smith as our VP Exploration, really knowing work in Ontario, and Ontario producing over 42% of gold in all of Canada is a great place for us to go, and we've been able to acquire 3 new projects that are adjacent to other existing old mines where we see there's good potential. Really excited to get back in Canada. We can actually have partners that can use flow-through, not for Riverside, but with partners. Really good potential for us to continue the prospect generator model.
Yeah, let's talk about that latest deal with BHP. Why don't you run through the highlights of that one, how that helps the company?
Oh my goodness, it is so great. The top thing is that they're funding over $1.2 million of work, and now we've gone through the first technical committee meetings, and we're now moving ahead with different projects toward funding those, progressing toward drilling. So we're on track, really excited, and really helps Riverside's treasury. You know, we have over $3 million cash and no debt. We still have a tight share structure, only 63 million shares, and with BHP fully funding our work in Mexico is really a good way to step up with copper in Mexico and leverage off of our historic knowledge.
Yeah, let's dig deeper into Mexico. That's why I associate your name with. Why don't you run through the meat potatoes of Mexico right now?
You know, Mexico, one of the key things we've recently done is we acquired the portfolio from Millrock, which adds to our, firstly, the database, because we can merge all of their data with all of our data, plus actually the data of BHP into a mega, really strong database. Secondly, we got assets. The Los Corrientes project is one that we're working on, first with BHP, and then we'll move it ahead with ourselves. We really like that, and we like the high-grade gold and some of the other properties we've been able to work on ourselves. So for us, Mexico continues to be very good, and we're really excited. But when we can leverage off of our knowledge into Canada, it's just a win-win-win situation.
Good market here, a little bit of a wind behind our back. How's the news flow looking? Investors like it? Give me a little look into the future, 30, 60 days.
Yeah, you know, I think first thing is we've had so much calls now from people. Each day I'm now having calls, people looking for partnerships and deals. Totally different than it was a year ago, even 6 months ago. It is awesome right now, super busy. We're signing confidentiality agreements. Now we're actually doing field reviews, having people come out to say that'll really give us the deal flow for deals, for more joint venture partnerships. We already have some, but we really see more coming in the deal flow. Really exciting times.
Okay. That's John Mark Stouty. He's the President and CEO of Riverside Resources, RRI in the venture. John Mark, I appreciate the time and the update.
Great to be on the show.